Chief Minister Khemchand held a series of meetings with top central leaders in New Delhi yesterday and today, marking his first official interactions after assuming office on February 4. Yesterday, the Chief Minister called on Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence. He was accompanied by Deputy Chief Ministers Losi Dikho of Naga People's Front and Nemcha Kipgen of BJP, the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. The Home Minister reviewed the steps taken by the new government to restore peace and remove barriers between communities. He assured full support from the centre, particularly in the rehabilitation of internally displaced persons and for the overall development of the state. Today, CM Khemchand called on Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, accompanied by Deputy CM Losi Dikho. During the meeting, the Chief Minister sought assistance from the Defence Ministry and appeals for the raising of a territorial army battalion for Manipur. The Defence Minister assured all possible cooperation. Later, the Chief Minister met BJP National President Nitin Nabin at the party's national office along with both Deputy Chief Ministers. Discussions centered on strengthening the party's state unit and expediting the resettlement of IDPs. Nitin Nabin assured full support from the party leadership. CM Khemchand also met BJP National General Secretary Organization B.L. Santosh during his visit.